Good morning, everyone. My name is Aman Gupta. Today I am giving presentation on wireless power transformation. Now, overview. Introduction: wireless power transmission. Need of wireless power transmission. History of power transmission. Varieties of wireless power transmission. Advantages, disadvantages, application, future scope, and this. Now, introduction of wireless power transmission. Efficient transmission of electric power from one point to another through vacuum or an atmosphere without the use of wire or any other system. We can transmit electric supply from one place to another place without using any substance, without using of wire, without use of any pipe. We can supply electricity. So wireless power transmission can transport power to locations which are otherwise not possible or impractical to reach. Need of wireless power transmission. Why we use wireless power transmission? What is the use of wireless power transmission? Reliable, stable, reliable, environmentally sound, efficient, low maintenance cost, can be used for short range or long range. History of wireless power transmission. In 1987, Nikola Tesla, pioneer of induction technique, had a vision for world wireless system. A 187 feet tall tower was built to broadcast energy so that all people can have access to free energy. He managed to light 200 lamps from a distance of 40 kilometers. Varieties of wireless power transmission. Wireless power transmission is further divided into two categories: near field techniques and far field techniques. In near field techniques, we, we divided inductive coupling and resonant inductive coupling. And far field techniques, microwave power transmission, laser power transmission. Now, inductive coupling. Primary and secondary coil are not connected with wire. Energy transfer is due to mutual induction. Example: transformer, wireless charging pad, electric buses. On a wireless charging pad, the device are to be kept, battery will be automatically charged. The charging pad, primary coil and the device, secondary coil have to be kept very near each other. It is preferred because it is comfortable, less use of wire. Now, resonant inductive coupling, combination of inductive coupling and resonance. Resonance makes two objects interact very strongly. Inductance induces current. So we use this. Now, advantages of near field technique. In this technique, there is no wire use and no electric base. Need for battery is eliminated. Efficient energy transfer using RIC. Maintenance cost is less. Far field energy transfer. It aims at high power transfer. It can be laser or microwave transmission. It needs line of sight. It is a radioactive in nature. Microwave power transmission. Now, microwave power transmission transfer high power from one place to another place. Two places being in line of sight using. A complete microwave power transmission system consists of three essential parts: electrical power to microwave power converter, absorption antenna that captures the wave, reconversion to electric power. Laser transmission. Laser is highly directional, coherent, not dispersed for very long, but get attenuated when it propagates through atmosphere. Simple receiver. Photovoltaic cell. As you know, photovoltaic cell that take energy. Cost. It is efficient. Advantage of far field technique. Efficient, easy to manufacture, and need for grid. Substance, ATCR eliminated. Low maintenance cost, uh, it is easy to maintain and low maintenance cost. For more effective when the transmission are receiving or along a line of sight, can reach the place with or remote. Now disadvantages of far field technique. Radiative, need line of sight, initial cost is high. When microwave are used, inference may arise. When laser are used, conversion is efficient, absorption loss is high. Now, application of wireless power transmission is near field energy transfer. It can transfer energy to near field and electric automobile charging. Static and moving. It is static and it can be moving. And now, consumer electronics, industrial purpose, far field energy transfer, solar power satellites, energy to remote areas. And now future scope of wireless power transmission. In future, transmission will be without wires, and there will be no use of wires. Uh, in future, there will be no use of wire. Uh, we will take electricity by the help of electricity, that is without wireless. It is a wireless. It will be wireless. So it would be more efficient. It will be more efficient and no low maintenance cost but high initial cost. Its initial cost is high, but its maintenance cost is low. So better than convention wire transfer, energy crisis can be decreased. There will be no loss. In this environment, the power loss is low. In near future, world will be completely wireless. Okay.